Hey guys, welcome back to Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. Today we're testing out Xenoblade Chronicles 3 for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, today we're testing out the YUZU emulator once again on my Intel Core i3-10105 with the AMD RX-6600 8GB VRAM graphics card. I'm running with 16GB of DDR4 RAM and dual channel memory, and boy oh boy, third time's the charm. Well, technically fifth. This is my fifth configuration with this damn game to see if it actually will run somewhat decently for me. I really would like this to run properly for once. I think this i3 should get the job done this time. I could be wrong. This is the first time I'm booting up the game. I will test all three Xenoblade Chronicles, by the way, if you're curious. We're going to hope for the best architecture here, and yeah. Okay, let's see. I'm going to give it a sec because this is the first time I'm booting in the game. I wanted real-world performance. I wanted you all to see real-world performance. It's crazy how low that is, even though I lord. Crazy how low that is, even though I lowered it down, but okay. I want y'all to see real world performance. I'll give it a second. I won't even move. Just let it build the shaders for a bit. Alright, good, you've stopped. Okay, so Xenoblade, man. Xenoblade with AMD just does not mix. I've tried every configuration. This is a lot better, to be fair. And once again, there's a lot happening on screen right now, so I give it that. If I was to lower this again, I probably would play a lot smoother. It is playing well right now, though. Like I said, we are using 1080p, and it seems to be handling itself quite well. I did show you the settings earlier, right? I feel like I did, didn't I? Maybe if I didn't, here you go. I feel like maybe I didn't. But here are the settings. We're playing very modest settings here. I do have my force maximum clocks, obviously. And yeah, we're gonna look at that, look at that, look at that. It's more at 30 FPS than previously. This is the hardest one to run. The Xenoblade Chronicles 1 and 2 runs much better than this. I've always had issues with Chronicles 3. The shaders just keep building, and once again, it could be just this level. This level is quite hectic, but yeah. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video though. Don't forget to please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. This will probably be my last video on Chronicles 3, to be honest with you. Until I get something better again, I guess. But I also wanted to do emulation on the channel for you guys. I wanted to show you guys, hey, we have emulation here. It's crazy that I used to run this on an RX-6570, yet the RX-6600 is being pegged at almost 85%. Like, that's nuts. The fact that that's even using that much is pushing the RX-66 that much. Well, no damn wonder the RX-570 was struggling. My gosh. Explains a lot, man. It is more stable once again. As I said, it is more stable. There you go. I don't think it was a match for the frame rate either. Like, this is a disaster, bro. I hope people play these games like this. Like I said, once again, we're using about wow, we're almost using 4 gigs of VRAM for this game. Holy crap. That much. I'm using 8.5 gigabytes of RAM. That's so damn much for this. This is not for the faint of heart, guys. But once again, it is playing much smoother than previously. We are using a capture card, so this is everything. This is how the game actually does run. Once again, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm just going to mute myself now, so enjoy the rest of the gameplay, and I'll see you guys next time. I got a bunch of content coming out today. We're trying emulation. We're going to try a bunch of stuff today, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be hectic, man.
They outflanked us! Lance! The front line!
That Trish's team? Uni, how are things? things with Kite. What about our backup?
Looks like they're busy guarding the artillery. They're not going anywhere. Anyone's moving right now, it's us.